I have come to disclose another feature I discovered in Canva. You already know that once I discover anything in Canva, you will be the first to know, right? Okay, so I found something new in Canva and I thought to share. It is component. Canva has now given users the ability to create components. Components is just a reusable design element. You create it once, you reuse it everywhere. If you have ever designed in Figma, you will be familiar with components. And I'm happy to share that you can now create components in Canva. Let me show you exactly how to do that. All right, so I'll be demonstrating with this design. I need to duplicate this so that I will still retain my original post, my original design. So this is the design. I want to create a component with this text here. So to do that, I will need to go to this three dot icon, click on it, scroll down, and then click on select create component. Let me mention that you can create components from any of these items here, any of these elements. It is not just this. You can create component of this shape here, of this text here. So any design element at all, you can create components out of it. So I'll be creating components with this T-Smart because I want to reuse it. So what I need to do is to go to this three icon here, three dot icon, click on, select create component. Unfortunately, this feature is only available to pro users, paid plan. So if you are on a free Canva plan, you may not have access to it because of this icon here. That's how I know. So once you see an icon, this crown symbol anywhere at all, just know that it is a paid feature. So just click select create component. You give it a name or allow the Canva AI to generate a name for you. So it has generated a name for me, program header. If I don't like it, I can manually change that. Now I can select this so that it will be saved in my brand kit so that I can easily access it. So I'll check this to save it in my brand kit. I can save it in my logo or choose any asset. I can save it in my logo, photos, graphics, or icon. But I'll prefer to leave it in the logo. So once it is saved, I can always go to my logo asset and find it there. So I'll click on create. And anyone who has access to my brand kit will have access to this component. Done. Our component is ready and it is safely saved in my logos. Now I can reuse it everywhere. So what I'm going to do is to demonstrate this so that you will see exactly how to use components. So let me click on this to create a new page. I'll go to templates to get a design. So assuming I'm starting a new design and I want to get this component. I want this to be added, this component that I just created. I don't want to always have to type it out. What I just need to do is to make space for it. Let me delete this text here. I don't need them. I need to change this to a different color because I want to change the background to white. All right. So now I can get in my component. Go to my brand, logo, and then click on it. And here it is. Position it where I want it to be. So now, anytime I want to change this text, this component here, let's say I want to change the text. I no longer want this matter with AI as the text in my component. I can always click on this icon here and then it will bring me to where I can edit my component. So here now I can edit the text, change the text to any other thing that I want. Let me change this to, let's say, get smarter with AI tools. So get smarter with AI tools. That's what I want my component to now be. I no longer want it to be too smart with AI. So I would need to publish this once I'm done changing the text. It's still loading. So once you're done editing your test, you can always publish the updates. Just go here and then click on publish to publish our update. So now the update is available for all the designs where it is. So I'll go back to my design. So here now it is still reading T Smart. So I will need to update it. Once I have it selected, you will see this update icon here. Click on it. Now you can either update this particular component here, just this one, or update all the instances wherever this test is. So what I'm going to do is to update all instances so that it can update wherever I have the component used. So I'll click on update all instances and it will automatically update. You can see that this one has changed as well, and this one changed to guest matter with AI tool. So this is a cool tool. This is a cool addition to the Google to the Canva workspace. And there are several ways you can use a component. This is just one of the ways that you can use it. I hope you try component out, try it out, create a component, reuse it everywhere. If you found value in this video, give it a like, leave a comment. If you have question, leave a comment. And if you found it valuable, kindly share. And if you are not yet a subscriber, of course, please subscribe. By subscribing, you are helping this channel to grow and helping me to create more and more valuable content. Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Bye.